Premiere and premiere have to be one of my favorite confused pairs of words, because did you hear what I just said? They're both pronounced premiere. It sounds exactly the same. But one word is with an E and one word does not have an E. Let's start with the one with an E, because once you get down that meaning, it's a lot easier to remember the version of premiere without an E. So premiere with an E at the end means the first showing of an event. So associate event with premiere with an E. So it's a movie premiere, the premiere of a television show, any other event where it's the first time, it's the premiere of that. So associate premiere with an E at the end with the first showing of an event. So that's pretty straightforward. So that's the only time that you're going to use premiere with an E at the end. Premiere without an E at the end means the best, or less common, it means like first in rank. It could sometimes be referred to as like a chief executive could be referred to as the premier, but all of those are the best, the first, the top of the line, and that's premiere without an E. So only associate premiere with an E with the first showing of an event, and then if you're talking about the first or the best or the top of the line thing, you will use premiere without an E. All right, that is it for this video, but I have a lot more word choice videos coming up, so if you're not already subscribed to the Revision Fairy channel, hit the red subscribe button below the video. Give this video a like if this pair is also one of your favorites that are easily mistaken in writing, and tap the notification bell so that you get a note every time I have a new video for you, and I will talk with you very soon.